The one that is too big or is too wide, there's a division. Yeah, we did it. But they changed the wood that we requested for it. And it wasn't good wood, so it has traced. It's 3 pieces. I hope you can see it. Yeah. So I've requested for another one, but it's out of stock. So this one too. So this 3, this, and the other one. Yeah, this one we remove it, and the other one to have to do the cutting on the other side. But we have to wait for the somebody to come so that we will do the cutting. Yeah, the top two. This, this is where we are now. This other side too, and this one too. There's a pipe, electrical pipes there, so we have to wait for them to come so that you put it there. The other one to have to do some small cuts so that before it can go inside.